Hi everyone, I'm God Quincy and welcome to my YouTube channel. So babes, I'm going to show you guys how I achieve this easy natural protective style on 4C hair with no cornrow. So babes, if you want to see how I achieve this easy natural protective style on 4C hair with no cornrow, keep watching. Please don't forget to like my video, comment, share. Follow me on my Instagram, Facebook, Snapchat, and Twitter. So babes, having said that, let's get started. The first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to make use of a comb to comb back my hair. Okay, after that, with a tail comb or a fishtail comb, I'll go ahead to part my hair into two. So babes, after parting my hair into two, I still need to go ahead to comb it out. And because I have a very thick root hair, like literally I need to cornrow, but you don't need to cornrow if you don't know how to cornrow. All you need to do is to give it your hair like a flat twist out, okay? But I need to cornrow because if I didn't cornrow for this tutorial, it would be very hard for me to comb back my hair, okay? So I'm giving my hair a cornrow down, okay? As you guys can see, all I just did was to take my hair, grab them all, and then put it in a two straight cornrow, I mean to say. So babes, this easy natural protective style hairstyle I did literally took me about 10 minutes or so to achieve, okay? So babes, after cornrowing that part of my hair, I'll go ahead to cornrow the other part too, okay? The other side of the pattern. I took my time covering my hair down. So babe, do you have any product I have to use in order to soften my hair? Okay, the root of my hair is so thick, like I literally need a good hair product you can recommend for me. Please comment it down in the comment section because I'll be trying most of them, okay? So babes, after cornrowing down, I'm going to join the two hair, okay, the two cornrows, and then put it into one and try to cornrow it together. So babes, when I'm done with the cornrow, with a small rubber band, I'll go ahead to put my hair in a small bun, okay? So babes, the next thing we are going to do, okay, this is like a crochet hair I separated and then put it into a ponytail holder, okay? Crochet hair, I separated the coils. I'll go ahead to place it on my ponytail, on the bun on my hair, secure it, as you guys can see. So babes, when I'm done with that, I'll make use of a bobby pin, okay? Section like a little small piece of the hair, okay? Use it in order to roll around the bun and then pin it down and secure it with bobby pins. So it's after securing with bobby pin the waist of the crochet braids, okay, I'll go ahead to roll it around the bun in order to form a bun, a low bun, as you guys can see, and then with more bobby pin I secured it down to my natural hair, okay? So babes, I will just go ahead to add more bobby pins to my hair. And with these hair accessories, I'll go ahead to place it into my hair, okay, in order to accessorize it, as you guys can see. So babes, this hairstyle looks as though the hair is growing out from your scalp, okay, from your hair. So babes, for the hair gel I'm making of this Gatsby hair gel. I'll go ahead take some in order to lay the front part of my hair. Also babes, in case you want you like to apply gel all over your hair before doing the flat twist, you can as well do that, okay. But I felt I don't need to do it, okay, because my hair root is too thick, so it will be very hard to get it laid, okay. So I just apply gel to my baby hair or to the front part of my hair in order to lay it properly. And then with this Gatsby hair styling foam, it's like a hair mousse. I'll go ahead to shake it, then apply it to my pen, and then go over to the front part of my hair in order to lay it as well, and as well to the rest of my hair, so that I can be able to secure my hair properly. So with a small toothbrush, I'll go ahead to brush my hair in order to lay it properly, and as well try to do my edges, even though I never wanted to do any edge. And so babes, that is it on how I achieve this easy, natural, protective style hairstyle on 4C hair. So babes, thank you so much guys for watching my video. Also, a tutorial on how I did my makeup will be going live soon. Make sure you also check it out guys. So babes, thank you so much guys for watching this easy, natural, protective style hairstyle on 4C hair. Please don't forget to like, comment, share, follow me on my Instagram, Facebook, Snapchat and Twitter. Thank you so much guys for watching my video. Love you guys. Bye bye. See you guys in my next video.